long-range heavy bomber that can perform a variety of missions. The bomber is capable of flying at high subsonic speeds at altitudes of up to 50,000 feet. In a conventional conflict, the B-52 can perform strategic attack, close air support, air interdiction, offensive counter-air and maritime operations. For more than 40 years, the B-52 Stratofortress has been the backbone of the manned strategic bomber force of the United States. The B-52 is capable of dropping or launching the widest array of weapons in the U.S. inventory. In fact, during Desert Storm, about 40% of all arms were deployed from a B-52. Current engineering analyses show that the B-52's lifespan will extend beyond the year 2040.